Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to fix your camera driver missing in your device manager. If there is no any driver like camera in your device manager, so I will show you the perfect methods that you can use and you can fix it. So this is a perfect solution. Okay, first we need to go to setting and go to the updates, and you need to enable your updates or check for updates in your window. Once it's complete, go to the advanced options and go to the optional updates, and here you can see some maybe list like drivers, camera drivers, something. You need to click on install it. Okay, so make sure you update your window. Okay, the second, go to the device manager. Okay, and here go to the view and make sure you have select that show hidden device. So maybe your camera it is hidden, but you enable it, it will be show here. Okay, or maybe you have connected new device, camera device in your PC, then go to the action and scan for hardware changes. So it will be scan your hardwares, and if there is a camera device or camera anything, it will be connect here, it will be show here. Okay, and the second option you can use, go to add legacy hardwares. If not working till, if it not helpful to you, go to the add hardware, that add hardware is here. Go to the next, install the hardware, that manually select the list. Okay, here you need to just scroll down and select the imagine device. Here select any manufacturer if you have list, so I just select that manufacturer and select. Okay, first select your Microsoft and you can select any of this model. So I just select this one, click on next, then click on next, then just finish it. Once it's finished, you can see that image the device here. Just right click on it, go to the update drivers. Okay, so now we need to go in that browse my computer device. Just click on next, and window was unable to install your scanner, window could not find drivers. Okay guys, from here you go to the browse my computer for drivers, and here you need to select that pick from list. Okay, so here you can see any you can select any manufacturer. So I just select that generic, and here you need to select that desktop camera. Okay, whatever you select from here, if I select JVC, so make sure you have this we have model like desktop camera, so desktop camera should be there. So just click any, I just select generic and I just select that desktop camera only. Click on next, it will be installed, and now just close. Now you can see after your installation, you can see that camera. If you not okay, so you can see this camera device in your definitely in your device manager. Now what you can do, just right click on that. Okay, it is working. Now just right click on the imagine device and just uninstall it. Once it's uninstalled, you need to restart your PC. Now your camera device will be enabled to you. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.